As it stands right now, in less than a month, tipped wages for restaurant workers in Michigan are scheduled to be phased out. And businesses across the state, regardless of their size, will need to offer earned sick time to employees. Right now, state lawmakers are trying to change that.
The State House passed a pair of bills that had bipartisan support. One would keep tipped wages in place. The other would keep businesses with fewer than 50 employees from providing earned sick time. TV5's James Felton joins us to tell us what happens now. James.
These bills aren't state law yet. They still have hurdles in front of them.
The State House today took a major step in addressing what is the most pressing issue facing Michigan employees and small businesses.
Republican State Representative Bill Schuette is glad the Michigan House approved two bills that would keep the state's tipped wage for restaurant workers and offer sick leave for employees at a business with 50 or more workers. As it stands now, on February 21st, all businesses with any employees will have to offer paid sick time, and the tipped wage will gradually be brought to the level of minimum wage over the span of 5 years.
We talked to one server who works at Buffalo Wild Wings who says they're able to make more than $95 an hour on a good day. And it's about protecting their hard-earned tips, but also protecting our family-owned small businesses that, you know, your mom and pop corner store, they don't have the same HR department as a large multinational corporation. They can't be tracking every employee's attendance in down to 5-minute increments.
Before the bill's passage, some House Democrats voiced their opposition to keeping tipped wages.
Big money stakeholders have tried to scare workers into believing their tips will go away if their wage is raised. This is simply not true. In California, tipped workers make $16.50 an hour, and they still have the highest tipping rate in the country at 23%.
And scaling back the number of workers who qualify for paid sick leave.
In a national survey by the American Public Health Association of more than 4,300 restaurant workers, 88% of them reported they did not earn sick leave, and 63% of them admitted that they cooked or served food while sick.
In the end, the bills had bipartisan support in the State House, and Schuette wants the same thing to happen in the State Senate.
I really would hope that the Senate would listen to the voices of hardworking restaurant servers from across our state and from those mom and pop small businesses that are really going to be hit hard if we don't take action.
The bills still need to be approved by the State Senate and signed by Governor Whitmer before they can become law. Back to you.
Thank you, James. As of now, Michigan's minimum wage is scheduled to increase to $12.48 an hour, and the Earned Sick Time Act will take effect.